Haley.
And Julian.
What a blast the fun fair was. Thanks to all to the action team for all your work. There's an eco team meeting today in the front foyer during lunch and recess. See you all there. It's pizza day today. Did you know that pizza boxes are not to be recycled? In the paper recycling bins, please choose one person from your class to flatten all the pizza boxes and take them down to our drop-off site next to the computer lab.
Book fair runs it all this week. Cops or Cancer is this Friday at 11:30. Don't miss it. Don't miss all the fun. Who will be getting their head shaved? We still have a few tickets remaining for the Jays game on June 14th. Send in your request and we will get your name on the list. You don't want to miss it.
See you later, Lakers.
Bye.